I just put in this speaker that comes with a amp on it, and this one also that comes with an amp on it. I'm in the trunk, so I couldn't really get a good recording of it. But yeah, these two subwoofers are in. I'm also gonna put a bass speaker under the carpet. I'm going to be putting in the accelerator, the side trims, and the steering wheel in this video. This is done is there's a big screw at the top that you have to screw in, and also clips at the bottom that just slide on right over, and then the gas kind of just slides right over it, and then you plug this electronic component in. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna put this on and slide it right in. That's how that goes on. That just slides, and now you have a gas pedal. It also has this nice feature where when you press down and then you press down all the way, you hear that click. That is what breaks the limiter when you're driving or when you want to go fast. That little click. But yeah, the gas pedal is now in. I'm going to hook up the under dash and the side piece, and then the side trim, and then I'm gonna put in the steering wheel. Quick little thing about the side piece, it comes with a speaker that is not for this model car, but you can add a wire in to play a speaker under your steering wheel. Also, because I switched it to manual and was automatic before, I had to cut this part out. The special thing about BMWs, they always have the pieces that you need. You just have to either modify it or cut it. So I had to cut this part out in order to make space for the clutch. So I'm about to put this up, hook up the light, connect the speaker, and move on to the next thing. This is how it looks now after it's all fit up. Now I'm gonna move on to the steering wheel. I have to connect the bottom part and then screw the steering wheel into here and a couple connections here. This is what the finished setup looks like. Steering wheel is on, everything under is on, the whole manual setup is there. I still have to put in the gear shift. I have a special surprise for the gear shift. I got the upholstery for the roof, but I cannot put it in yet because I have handles, these little handles on the side, you know, the ones that you panic grab when your mom thinks you can't drive. Yeah, I have that. That's coming in from Lithuania that I have to get. And also I have the rear parcel shelf, but I'm missing the clips for here and the seat belt. I had them in gray, I need to get them in black. So that'll be the next thing that we do when that comes in, and then after that we put the seats in. You guys are gonna love the seats.